Son-in-law and I brought down the remaining blocks and toppers just to get them out of the driveway so we can begin to do our last wall. Also, we cleared away all the rocks that were here and the cement chunks, and we have thrown them down here for backfill. The other thing we did was we got this wall built. Some of these rocks are huge and of course very, very heavy. I've been working on walls, carrying blocks, building this wall with no problem. Then while we were loading the backfill, believe it or not, I threw out my back. And for the last couple of days, it's been really hurting. Now we're into about day 4 since I did it. My back has improved, and I'm hoping in the next couple of days I'll get back to building the rest of this wall. Now that all the backfill is in, I can get started. We've also had an awful lot of rain in these last few days, and basically the rain has done what I had expected. It has settled the dirt that we've already poured in, which I will go down and show you. When we poured the fill dirt in, we filled it up to the top of the toppers. And as you can see, it has sunk an inch or two, which I had expected. And in some places, like right here, it has filled in and we have little sinkholes. And you can see all along here that it has dropped a little bit, much expected. The biggest sinkhole is right here, and it has dropped quite a bit, filling in all the gaps behind the wall. Unfortunately, already we're getting little weeds growing in here.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.